I show you guys my for some reason some of the grass is not growing on the spot. Oh, that's too big, guys. He's very nice. He needs to shower, but he doesn't go downstairs. That's Tubi. Very nice, Tubi, huh? Tubi, look at me. Tubi, say hi to everyone. I don't know why the grass is not growing here. It's kind of weird. Yeah, right there. He needs to put some seeds in. Hello, everyone. That's my Tubi today. Today is Sunday. Is anyone like Tubi? Tubi is a golden doodle, but he is black doodle. I think someone's here already, huh? Is someone here already? Right? It's someone here already? Is Daddy home yet? Where's Daddy at? Where's Daddy? We went to the lake today, guys, and we are here now in our yard to say hi everyone. Everyone's oops. I think oh. I might have to turn on my but I had to watch for some reason. Oh, Tyler just ran into the puppy. It's hot today. At this time I have to watch. What you doing? Right there, look. Everybody's have a good time. Hello everyone. It's hot here, guys. I need to turn the water here for now because I don't know. Oh yeah, it's dry now. I will cut, guys. I wait for water to be. Hello everyone, watch out. Who is here? Give me some thumbs up. My dog is already come inside. He don't want to be out here. Thank you so much. I'm so bright. We went to the lake, guys. It's very hot, but I think not too hot compared to Florida and Texas, right? Oops. I'm sorry, guys. My husband was calling me. Well, Toby, where are ya? Toby, where are you? Do you want pizza for lunch, Tyler? Tyler? Huh? He's on the way here. He's just taking so long because of the guy was not. The guy was on his way. He cannot get out. So on the way he's asking if you want pizza. Let's open this, Tyler. I need to see out there. So if you want pizza, maybe we want to turn that on. Huh? Okay. I'm turning the oven on, guys.